Looking for a complete solution to recycle both cables and motor wires? Meet our 400 kilograms per hour cable recycling line, a powerful combination of dry separation and water separation for maximum copper recovery. This advanced system is designed to handle not just waste cables, but also motor wires from stator and rotor scrap. With a capacity of 400 kilograms per hour, it's perfect for medium to large-scale recyclers. Let's start with the dry separation process. This system is designed specifically for recycling waste cables. It uses advanced crushing, shredding, and air separation to recover up to 99% pure copper metal. Here's how it works. Firstly, cables are fed into the shredder, where they're broken down into small pieces. Then, the material then goes through a crusher to further separate the metal from the insulation. Finally, an air separator removes the lightweight plastic, leaving behind clean copper. The result? High-purity copper granules, ready for resale or reuse. It's fast, efficient, and eco-friendly, but what if you're also dealing with motor wires from stator and rotor scrap? That's where our water separation system comes in. After crushing, the motor wires are fed into a mixing tank, where they're thoroughly cleaned. Then, they move to the water shaking table for precise separation. The result? Clean, high-purity copper wires, completely free from plastic, paper, and other impurities. This ensures maximum value from your scrap materials. And for cables, our dry separation system delivers equally impressive results, recovering up to 99% pure copper. Combining dry separation for cables and water separation for motor wires, this line is not just efficient, it's eco-friendly, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Whether you're recycling cables or processing motor wires, this 400 kilograms per hour line is your ultimate solution for efficiency and profitability. Ready to upgrade your recycling process? Contact us today.